Whenever we research an important decision, a model, treatment, product, or strategy, we open many sources, reach a conclusion, and eventually forget why. Later, when we revisit the same choice, we often start the research from zero. Trace solves that by treating research like Git. Every recurring decision has evidence, commits, branches, outcomes, and a current answer, not just a pile of bookmarks. This model selection example is one use case. While I browse, Trace works automatically. The local service detects research intent, captures the visible page when it is safe, extracts its context, ignores ordinary browsing, and routes useful evidence in roughly 10 seconds. This map is the actual research story. I can see what I believed at each checkpoint, the sources and screenshots behind it, and the answer Trace currently recommends. The screenshot is stored locally, and my configured AI can use it as context to understand the evidence. Trace does not just preserve the answer. You left off here, turns what is still unresolved into a clear next question, and keeps the exact pages I need to resume. The live comparison organizes what each source says about every option, while making the remaining unknowns visible. So I know what we have learned, what is missing, and exactly where to continue. Trace also remembers what happened after I acted on a decision. Once I test the recommendation, I can record whether it worked, was mixed, was regretted, or was replaced. That outcome becomes part of the research history, so the next recommendation reflects real experience, not only what the original sources claimed. Trace also brings this decision memory into other tools like Qoder through a read-only MCP connection. Here, Qoder searches my earlier DenseNet research before a code change, retrieves the answers and constraints, and notices the mixed outcome. ResNet performed better on latency. It keeps ResNet as the default and treats DenseNet 121 as a challenger, requiring controlled benchmarks of performance, latency, and memory. Trace enables Qoder to reason from my actual experience, not start all over again. Trace turns scattered browsing into a living decision history. It captures evidence automatically, shows how the answer evolved, records what happened after the decision, and brings that context into the tools where the next choice is made. So I don't repeat my research, I continue from it.